Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving right into the absolute anatomy of the modern digital workspace. We spend so much time obsessing over AI outputs, the brilliant essays, the flawless code, the comprehensive reports, that we almost entirely overlook the environment where all this magic actually happens. But the interface itself, that very first screen staring back at you, that establishes the rules of engagement. So let's break down this digital scaffolding together, piece by piece. Okay, let's look at the very first thing that greets you. Get responses tailored to you. Wow, we are definitely not operating in the era of one-size-fits-all search engines or clunky software menus anymore. This prompt is literally a promise of adaptation. It signals this massive fundamental shift from a static tool you just kind of use to an intelligent system that actively partners with your unique cognitive style. It's basically telling you that the more you interact with it, the more it molds to exactly how you work. And honestly, that's a real game changer.
So, moving right into our first section, the digital workspace, expanding your toolset.
Now think about this expansive array of built-in capabilities staring us right in the face. We've got images for visual processing, modular apps, and search chats for instant recall of your entire digital history. But you really have to notice that absolute heavy-hitting function right there, deep research. The interface is explicitly offering you a rigorous analytical engine right from the jump. It completely transforms a blank, empty prompt box into a multifaceted command center. Seriously, it's like having a dedicated research team right at your fingertips.
All right, on to section 2, tailoring your AI experience, unlocking platform power.
This sequence perfectly illustrates the exact chronology of unlocking the platform's true power. Step 1, log in. Now, this isn't just about getting basic access. It's your bridge to continuity. Step 2, get answers based on saved chats. This right here is where context lives. The AI actually remembers your previous logic and your tone. And then step 3, create images and upload files. You aren't just typing into the void anymore. You're injecting your own raw external data directly into the AI's workflow. This whole sequence, it completely transforms a generic chatbot into a highly customized engine built just for you.
Next up, section 3, the rules of engagement, navigating boundaries.
Okay, so here's where it gets really interesting. We have to balance the sheer power of the content created using ChatGPT against the explicit legal terms we absolutely must acknowledge. On one side, sure, we have brilliant copy and insanely complex code. But on the other, well, the interface grounds us right back in reality. By using the tool, you're entering a binding agreement. Privacy policies, terms of service, the whole shebang. It's a stark reminder that all this massive computational power exists within a very strict legal framework, and it's on us to play by the rules. And alongside those legal boundaries, we've got these administrative realities kind of lurking in the periphery. Options like see plans and pricing, settings, and that absolutely critical flag if unsafe button. Well, they remind us of our active role here. We are constantly evaluating cost-to-value ratios and fine-tuning our experience. By giving us a flag if unsafe option, the platform actually makes us active participating moderators of the whole ecosystem. We aren't just passive consumers, we're literally co-managers of the workspace. Which brings us to section 4, the ultimate objective, the destination. Take the Filing Business Property Guide as a perfect example of this destination. Tackling highly specific bureaucratic subject matter like this, that is exactly why this vast digital scaffolding exists in the first place. Think about it. You have access to deep research and a highly personalized AI, all marshaled together to handle incredibly complex, precise workflows. It perfectly illustrates the beautiful contrast of modern work, using world-altering, cutting-edge technology to seamlessly execute the necessary everyday gears of commerce. It really is something else. And honestly, that brings us right to the very edge of the diving board. We've deconstructed the whole environment together today. We've seen the raw power, the deep personalization, the ground rules, and the ultimate objective. It really makes you realize just how much crucial preparation happens before that very first prompt is ever even typed out. Everything is aligned now. The engine is idling, waiting for you. So ask yourself, with your tools perfectly set and the terms totally agreed upon, are you ready to start the chat?